being a psychology teacher. I'm a house parent, which means I'm in charge of the girls' boarding house. I really enjoy this job. I have about 60 girls that I'm in charge of and looking after their social and emotional needs as well as their practical needs. I'm also passionate about well-being, and for the last 2 years I've also been the e-safety lead for the school. The school is really passionate about professional development. Since I've been here, I've done several courses to improve my teaching and to improve myself going forward. I've done the NASI course, which is a course to better yourself for English as a foreign language teaching. And I'm also trained as an IAX manager, which is a course directed at being proactive for mental health. I guess more from the well-being side. So I've been quite passionate about that, developing it within the school. I've brought about student days like Are You OK Day, and we've brought in staff well-being. I've been part of a strategic group putting together the well-being framework. It was actually a really difficult decision to make. My daughter was only 6 or 7 at the time, but since we've got here, she's been absolutely thriving. She's in a much better school with better opportunities. They also have lots of extracurricular activities. So she's currently doing Frobisio, which is a sports competition. She's going to Beijing at the end of May to compete with several other Dulwich schools. She has opportunities like learning musical instruments and being in school performances, which is something that she didn't get to do much of in the UK.